You have reached your destination.
Yep. Gotta be honest, my back is sore. So are my wrists, and a couple of gouges out of my my arms and legs with the welding spatter. But that's okay. Here's a small one. Yank up my sleeve. Yeah, not too bad. I've got one on my foot from a few days ago that's just now beginning to heal. I spent the day. Today's President's Day, Monday, 2022. I spent the day putting this piece on, and then doing 45-degree angles to include this piece and this piece. So this entire rectangular section I have put on. And welded in, and more or less, yeah, I fixed it. This thing is stout, so I don't know what the weight of a foot of box tubing is, nor do I know what the weight of the angle iron is for the same dimension, but I would estimate this entire concern now weighs about 200 pounds. Maybe more, I don't know. Let's see how it feels to lift up. Move it, now let me pause. Anyway, so let's give this thing a shot. Wow, yeah. It's maybe a little bit more than 200 pounds. And I suppose I could easily test it. I've got a hook in my ceiling I put in there. It's rated at 700 pounds, and I've got a couple chain falls and yada yada yada. Plus I have a scale, so I could do that. All right, so I will have a floor inner here on the inside, of course, a floor here and on the other side on the inside, of course. With these being, this would be the actual area for one part of the. All I'm doing is putting a floor, and nothing more. I'm not going to wall it off or anything, but so a lot of cargo area between here and there. I'm actually considering cutting off this piece here because I've got so much bracing on this thing. I'm not worried about it bending or torquing in such a way. And maybe I'll just leave it as is. Yep. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. So what's next? What is next? Shoot. Likely box tubing. Oh hell, I better order the dang axle, honestly. But either box tubing this way and here, or one long one between that coincides with the axle mounting points, whatever those are. Whenever I see those. Yeah. So I am heartened by the fact that the distance between the top of that and the frame, and the same thing over here are the same. I've measured them. They're actually within 1/4 of an inch, and one can attribute that to the where I cut it. So I've got some good symmetric distances between things, and I'm happy about that. So yeah, I think I'm done for the night. Indeed. Yes, I am.